You guys are ready for an all-in-one, budget-friendly, great sounding landscape system? Well, Sonance has you covered. This is their SGS 8.1 garden series. Pretty much everything you need is in one box. So this bad boy includes 1 amp, 1 sub, 8 satellites, and 8 stakes. What it doesn't include is digging a hole, planting the speakers, and running the wire. But it's a great solution for your backyard as long as it's around 3,500 square feet. Here we go. There are lots of choices on the market and lots of choices from Sonance. And this, holy cow, man, the way they pack this is beautiful. I mean, it's so perfect in this space. Of course, you got the menu. And then we have 2 boxes of satellites for each box. We have the DSP 2150 amplifier. We have the 10-inch subwoofer and an empty box for a filler. So we have that. Look at this. Here's your DSP 2-150 amp. So it's a 2-channel amp, 150 watts a channel. Now this is rack mountable or it can go on a shelf. Super cool. Oh, goodness. This is your 4-pack of sats. Again, this is 8 satellite speakers. These are a 3.5-inch satellite system. And then again, there's 8 of them. Again, guys, when you're trying to design an outdoor system, you've got to have coverage. So depending on the size of the area, you have lots of satellite speakers and subs. So this is a mid-range area, so we have 8 of these. And you will see the install here in a couple weeks, so stay tuned for that for sure. What's crazy is, it first told me did not come with stakes, but then it does come with stakes. So huge plus on this system, it does come with stakes, because some of the systems or some of the landscape stuff that Sonance does sell, stakes are separate. So in this kit, it's all included. Now, you also get waterproof gel nuts with the whole kit. Another big plus. So let's see what these bad boys look like. I won't get all of them out. We got the stake is already connected to the satellite. So you got your little screw right here to allow you to adjust and pivot the speaker so you can aim it anywhere you want. Super cool. These do unscrew here. Yeah, so you can take these off, and there are other mounts you can get in place of the stake. Make metal stakes that are longer, and they also make surface mounts that you can connect these satellites to as well. So it gives you some cool mounting options for your outdoor landscape and outdoor areas. But this is just a 2-conductor, so you have your red and your black. And there's 8 of these in this particular box. And we have, I'm sorry, there's 4 of these in this particular box, and there's 4 more in this other box. And I'll get this out to show you guys. Also nice, it actually comes with waterproof gel nuts, because we've had systems in the past that do not. So it's another trip you gotta make to your local hardware store to get waterproof gel nuts. So them coming with them is super cool. You might be asking, how do you hook a system like this up? And what type of wire do I use? Well, I highly recommend using 14 gauge 2-conductor wire or 14 gauge 4-conductor wire, depending on how you're gonna do your runs. I'm not gonna open this box, but it's identical to the one we just did. So another 4 sats, so 8 total. And the subwoofer. Now this is a 10-inch sub, and this thing has the ability to play down to 35 hertz. Now, I do recommend multiple subs depending on the area, but because this is a fairly small area, this kit comes with 1. It's a big old box. Now, this particular sub, you don't have to dig a huge hole, which is a super plus. Goodness gracious. This is not your average subwoofer. So we gotta talk serious bass with this bad boy. But again, these are supposed to are designed to disappear in your flower beds or your outdoor landscape. And again, this is going to have a 2 conductor on it as well. Also has its own wire nuts that are also gel so they don't get wet. All this tape, my goodness. There we go. There we go. So check this out. So here you have a waterproof sealed 2 conductor. This is your little pigtail here. And again, these are coming with its own wire nuts, gel nuts as well. But you only bury this to about right here. Give it a few inches so you don't come into the cap. And because it's kind of a bronze color, it really matches the dirt, easily blends into the environment. So this thing is hidden. Now, back to my question on how this is wired. Because you do have 2-channel amp, DSP 2150. You have 8 sats. So essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna hook your left side out and you're gonna alternate your speakers, but you're gonna go left, right, left, right. So after you're on your lefts, you go through your sats. You're gonna go into the left side of your sub. The right side is gonna go from your right side to your sats through your sub. So that way both sides, left and right, feed into the sub as well as hitting each of the sats. And again, you're alternating your sats left, right, all the way around your facility or your pool or whatever you're putting the speakers around. So not too hard, but there's a diagram that shows you how they're supposed to be placed as well. So, man, I'm excited to get this thing installed, and we have this thing going up really soon. And the client is going to love it because they're putting in this beautiful backyard with this pergola and outdoor TV and pool and hot tub. And one thing that really goes well with all that stuff is a great sounding audio system. So with Sonance and this nice little series here we have with the garden series, it's going to sound incredible and they're going to be thrilled at the results. So stay tuned for the install. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and we hope to see you on the next one.